Today we'll be exploring the Icon of the Seas Surfside Neighborhood. Hi, I'm Bonnie. Welcome back. And this will be another tour that I'm doing aboard the Icon of the Seas. The Surfside Neighborhood is really special. It's a brand new neighborhood. It's for families, and it definitely is the ultimate family destination at sea. Let's find out together what makes Surfside so special and explore all its features to see if this is the ultimate family vacation that you're looking for. Let's get started. Surfside is a new neighborhood dedicated to young families, especially those with young children and babies, and it offers everything from parades to story time. Surfside's right below Central Park. It is a kid-friendly world where every detail has been thought out, and there is something for everyone. From toddlers to parents, there's a place to relax and enjoy the cruise experience. There's a new pool-themed version of Royal Caribbean's Carousel. Splashaway Bay is not just any splash zone, it is an aquatic adventure with slides and wade pools, and it's an oversized water dump bucket as well, and it is for all kinds of kids. You just need to be potty trained. There is a place called Baby Bay that's for kids in diapers, and they can just splash around there. The water edge pool is a infinity pool that blends in with the ocean. It's located at the very back of the ship, and it offers a beautiful, stunning view, and it's a perfect spot for unwinding and just enjoying the sun. And there is a bar there as well called Lemon Post, and it is facing the aft as well. And there you can find mocktails for your children that will match your particular drink. They have those available for cost. And there is a Playscape Area right next to the Carousel, and that offers an array of slides and play equipment, making it just more like a playground for the kids. The Icon of the Seas is really an incredible ship. I mean, it just goes on and on and on. It's a lot to digest. I do have a playlist on the Icon of the Seas and some of the neighborhoods and all that it has to offer, so make sure you check that out. It's great to know that you don't have to rush up to the buffet and change your kids and get everything organized to grab some food, so it's all there for you. And it's the type of food that kids like fish sticks and chicken nuggets and mashed potatoes and peas and that type of thing. So things that they would like, and like the ice cream. So it's pretty fun to experience as a family. It's a great idea from Royal Caribbean to help the flow of traffic in the other areas where kids would just be completely intimidated, I think. So this is very family friendly. So in the Surfside you have an eatery that is the Surfside Eatery, and it's kid and adult options kind of combined. I just showed you what there is to offer, and that is all complimentary, free of charge. Just the drinks. You can sit outside. This helps a lot with the distribution of people in the ship, because people will stay down here to have the beach and things for their kid activities. There's some games going on, there's music. It's definitely a kid-friendly place, so people probably just stay here instead of going all the way to the buffet or other places. So this is for like your younger kids. I'd say probably kindergarten and under. And they also have something called Surfside Bites, which is a grab and go. It's a quick, tasty options like popcorn chicken or cinnamon sugar churros. And then there is Pier 7, which is a specialty restaurant. It serves an all-day brunch for a cost of $25 per person, and the kids eat free. carriage for $14.99. She said it's $24.99 a person when I just talked to her. So I'm not sure where that falls under. But it looks really good, but it's not complimentary. They also have a place called Sugar Beach for candy and ice cream purchases for the Royal Caribbean's in-house ice cream. There's also Sprinkles, which has the frozen yogurt that's free of cost. So it's a perfect place for families, and it's something that has been really thought out. And as usual, if you have found this helpful or informative or you've learned something, make sure you give this a thumbs up. Subscribe for more cruising tips and information. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.